Bugatti has revealed a pair of uniquely specced Chiron Super Sport hypercars that draw inspiration from the L'Or Blanc, arguably the finest of several stunning Veyron special editions. That car had a unique paint job that has since been recreated with the Vagues de Lumiere finish, a hand-applied design that varies between all cars thanks to the human element. Bugatti's bespoke Sur Mesure program enables wild creations like these, but for the most part, these unique builds are decided on long before the car enters production. That was the case for one of the below Chirons, but not the other, which was torn down and refinished so that a couple could have a matching pair. The American pair that ordered these beauties had owned several Bugattis in the past but never from new until deciding on the Chiron Super Sport. The husband's car was delivered first and he was using it while his wife's build came to life. Her choices led to a car dubbed Laura, the Aura, with beautiful hues of red and orange. Once the husband saw this, he realized his car was no longer special enough and decided to have it shipped from Tennessee back to France, where it would be torn down and rebuilt over the course of 7 months. Along with a matching paint scheme and interior, he also wanted to add the optional sky view roof. To ensure that there would be no risk of dirt or mess hiding in the cabin, the entire cockpit was stripped before the roof was fitted. His resulting blue creation was named Coup de Foudre, which has dual English meanings of bolt of lightning and love at first sight. Thanks to such comprehensive refinishing, the older Chiron Super Sport looks and feels as if it just rolled off the production line, and one would never know that the two cars were not ordered simultaneously, although they will have slight variances between them. Each car requires a different pattern, explains Sur Mesure lead designer Jaska Straub. A Chiron Per Sport, for example, will have different reflections to a Chiron Super Sport, so every time, we are really working from the ground up to ensure absolute perfection. The true beauty of these cars also lies in their individuality. Every painter has a different style, so each car is totally unique. We can only imagine what such artistry costs, but it's totally worth the money.